is a full setup guide for people who want to get started using KVIQA. What you're going to do is head over to get started, and no matter what, you want to select agency. It's just got more features and you can always add more creators later down the line, and it costs nothing extra. So you're just going to hit that. Then you're going to fill out how much you're currently making and just your normal email that you want to use to log into KVIQA. Then you're going to receive a 5-digit code which you're just going to enter in here to verify that it's your email, and hit verify. Once done, you're going to see this Apple looking animation right here. You're just going to hit get started. You can also try out the demo playground, which is just a fake dashboard you can check out if you want. And you're just going to hit get started for free right here. Now, once here, you're going to see the full walkthrough of the KVIQA CRM. Here, you're going to see a bunch of features and just a general walkthrough of the CRM itself. So you're going to see some of the most important pages. The team board is one of the most important features inside of KVIQA. This is where you're going to add your creators, chatters, and all of the workers in your agency. Now here, if you choose AI, it's far easier. You don't need to get an email for anybody else to log into the account, because if it's an AI person, they don't need to log in anywhere. So just choose AI for an AI model. Or if you have a real creator and you want them to be able to log in and view the dashboard, you can set an email which they will then use to log in. Now you're going to hit add worker and then add a chatter here as well. So you can just set a name that's fitting for the tutorial here and an email for them to log in. Or if you want, you can head over to invitations next to add worker and just send them a link, which will let them set up their own email and account and automatically get paired inside of KVIQA. You can also choose the payout frequency. If you double click the chatter, you can assign them to a specific creator. You can also choose manager mode, compensation, and set their work schedule. Now you're going to land on the inboxes page. You're just going to hit open inbox, and what's going to happen is it's going to open your Telegram inbox first for the setup. Here you're just going to connect a Telegram account you normally would inside of Telegram. What you do is you take your Telegram app on the phone, go to settings, devices, and scan the QR code, and you'll be automatically logged in and paired on KVIQA. KVIQA is using Telegram's official API for this, so all your data is safe and secure. And back on the team board here, we can pair up the chatters to specific creators. As you can see, I dragged the node there between the creator and the chatter. Now that we've connected the Telegram account, we want to assign it to a creator. Basically what this does is say that this Telegram account belongs to this creator. So you're going to double tap the creator in the team board and just pair it to the Telegram account. Now we're going to head over to the vault section, and here we're going to end the guided tutorial, because this depends entirely on which provider you choose for your sales. This will determine where your payouts are coming from, where you upload your content, and just some general features. So here are the screenshots for the different providers and which time I'm going to showcase them. You're only going to need to do one, so choose one of them, and then we will continue the video at the bottom timeline. How to connect Dropfans to KVIQA. Dropfans is one of the providers that is partnered with KVIQA. Here you can sell AI content and real content, both NSFW and safe for work. You're just going to head to the sign up page, and here I'm just going to use my demo email to sign up. You can also use Telegram or Gmail and hit create account. Once you're inside of Dropfans here, you're just gonna hit become a creator, and here you will receive an email to the one you signed up with, and you just need to verify that it is actually your email and just enter the 5-digit code you received. And then you're gonna head to become a creator again, and you're gonna choose agency/AI creator. No matter what, this is what you want to choose, because this allows you to manage multiple models underneath you. And here you're going to pick the handle for your agency. Now, given that you're an agency, this will only be visible to you, so it doesn't matter. And once you've done that, you're going to need to verify your identity, and this is done through a third-party provider did it. Once that's done, you'll be all set on Dropfans, and we can just head over to the creators tab and make our first creator. So here we're going to choose AI because I want to make an AI model. And here we're going to give them a username, which will be the handle that people can find the model from, and the display name, which is what is going to be visible on the profile. Once we've chosen that, we're just going to hit create, and we will land onto the model's profile. We're going to fill out the bio. I usually go with 3 rows of text here just to push down the unnecessary rows. We're going to skip that for now. We're just going to head over straight to the vault area, select the creator we want to generate the connection to KVIQA, and choose API, then create API key for KVIQA. Blurred mine out, but you're just going to copy it, go back to KVIQA, and On the creator, you're going to double tap, and then you're going to choose Vault and just paste in the API key right here on that specific creator. Once that's done, you're going to see that it is connected. And now if you head over to your Vault page, you're going to see all the content from that Dropfans creator inside of KVIQA. And it's also going to be visible inside of Telegram, iMessage, or any other place where you open the Vault on that creator. How to set up Fangate with KVIQA. So you're just going to head over to fangate.app and hit register. Here we're going to create your account, or if you already have one, you're just going to sign into your account. For the video, I'm going to go into my already existing account. You're just going to follow the setup process if you do not have one already. Then you're going to head over to settings, scroll down until you find API keys, and here you're going to hit create API key. On this step, it's very important that you choose full automation access. If you do not, it will not work properly. For the name, you're going to set it to KVIQA, and then for expiration, you want to choose no expiration. If you choose with an expiration, you will have to redo this process again, which is unnecessary. Then you're going to have your API key generated. You're just going to copy that, head over to KVIQA again, double tap the creator, and then choose Vault and copy paste the key straight into there. Now, any place you open the creator's accounts on Telegram, iMessage, or any other applications, you will see your full Fangate Vault available and the content ready to sell. How to set up Fanvue with KVIQA. So all you're going to do is head over to the inboxes page right here, hit Fanvue, and choose Connect Fanvue. This is automatically going to open Fanvue's own website. Here you're just going to fill out your details or create an account if you do not already have one, and choose Sign In. Once done, you're going to see that KVIQA wants access to certain features. You're just going to hit Allow. Once done, you're going to land back on KVIQA here, and you can see that you have now access to your Fanvue inbox. But the important thing, which is where KVIQA actually shines, is if you go back to the team board, double tap the creator, and then choose the Fanvue account and connect Vault 2. By choosing Connect Vault 2, you'll be able to access your Fanvue Vault from Telegram, iMessage, and WhatsApp, and send paid content from Fanvue straight inside of those applications. Continuing the KVIQA setup after you've chosen a provider, I've chosen Dropfans for this tutorial example. So you can see in your vault, you have all the content from that specific creator's vault. And once inside the Telegram CRM, you're going to see all your conversations right here, which you've had with that account. So we're going to go into one conversation here and just open up the vault. Here you're going to see all the content from your vault loaded in. So we're just going to select these two images, set a price, and we can also set a description or customize the blur on the left there. And we're just going to hit create and send drop. Now this is going to land straight inside of the Telegram conversation. And as you can see on this example, there is a link to open and buy the content, which lands you on the page like that. But there is a way to do it with a far higher conversion rate where you don't need to open any links at all. So what you're going to do is head back to KVIQA and go to Automation and QuickBot. Here you're going to head over to Accounts and just choose Connect Bot. Now a Telegram bot allows you to send out buttons instead. So once we've connected it, as you can see here, it is connected. We can just head straight back into the Telegram inbox and head back to our conversation with the same customer. Now, if we open up the vault again, we can see that we've already sent these pieces of content to that specific customer, and we can also see for how much. Now we're gonna go back to the vault, and we're just gonna select this content, set a price, and create the drop. And now as you can see, it's been sent with a button inside of Telegram. So from the customer's POV, this is what they're gonna see. They're gonna hit unlock now, which opens up a mini app. This is how it looks on the desktop, and on the phone it's even smoother. And here we're gonna be able to purchase the content, which will unlock straight inside of the mini app and will be automatically accessible for the customer at any given time. And on top of having Telegram, KVIQA is also the first and only CRM in the OFM space to actually offer iMessage as an option to send pay-per-views inside of. Now obviously this is far better than SMS because you don't have the green bubbles, because which girl actually has green bubbles? To get that started, you just go to the iMessage page on inboxes and then you fill out your current earnings. Now once you've been approved, you can just head over to the team board, double tap the creator, and pair your iMessage number to the creator. Now the iMessage number is something that we provide because this needs a bunch of hardware on our end. So once you have that, you can literally just head to inboxes and open the iMessage CRM. Now once in here, this is literally a replication of your current iMessage messages, and you can open the conversation with any customer here. Open the vault. This just shows our Dropfans vault as well. You just choose an image, set the message and the price, and just hit send. And obviously this is sent straight inside of iMessage, so the customer will see it on their text messages, and when they open the pay-per-view, they land on Dropfans to complete the purchase. And here you can see how it looks on the customer's end. And that's it for this tutorial, guys. Now this is just the basic setup guide for KVIQA. We have a bunch of specific tutorials for a bunch of features I didn't have time to walk through in this video, so go ahead and check out our channel and see all the other features that KVIQA actually provides. And if you have any questions about KVIQA, you can just DM us on Telegram, where we're most active, which you can find in the description. Good luck selling.